Socket made of phosphor copper, certified by Germany's technology, VDE. A variety of colors are available. Available in baby skin matte and brushed finishes with customizable panel materials. Adopts an integrated button design, easy to disassemble with a screwdriver. Please do not remove the button directly to prevent damage from panel removal. If any buckle is not secured, the button may slightly rebound. After maintenance, a crisp click sound indicates secure installation and normal operation. Featuring a one-piece frame structure, easy installation.